How do I connect my AirPods to my device?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to walk you through how to connect your AirPods to your device. This is a simple process that will enable you to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or calls wirelessly.
What you will need.
To get started, you're going to need a few things: your AirPods, the device you want to connect them to, such as an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device.
Opening your AirPods case.
The first step in the process is to open your AirPods case. This action will make your AirPods discoverable to nearby devices. Open the lid of your AirPods case. Hold the AirPods case close to your device.
Connecting your AirPods.
Now that your AirPods are discoverable, it's time to connect them to your device. A setup animation should appear on your device. If it doesn't, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and select your AirPods from the list. Tap on the Connect option. If you have AirPods Pro or AirPods, second generation, follow the on-screen instructions to set up Hey Siri.
Confirming the connection.
Finally, let's make sure your AirPods are connected. After you tap Connect, your AirPods should now be connected to your device. You can confirm this by playing some audio. The audio should play through your AirPods. And that's it. You've successfully connected your AirPods to your device. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and you're now ready to enjoy your audio content wirelessly. Remember, if you're experiencing any issues, always refer to Apple's official support page or contact Apple support. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.